Hey, what's up, guys? Just checking with you in here this morning here. Beautiful Saturday. It is the 17th, I believe. Today is the date. Let me check that. Yeah, it is Saturday. It's the 17th, obviously. So, anyways, just calling to just wanted to check in and see what do you guys do on the weekend for fun. So, I actually already shot a video with this, but I actually had a little bit of a technical difficulty, so I'm having to do it in the car. So, but I always talk about work and all that kind of stuff, and obviously you guys can reach us at any time. Call or text 605-250-1023. Visit our website, all that kind of stuff. But what do you guys like to do for fun on the weekends? When you're not working, when you're trying to get away. I mean, some people like to go camping. That's fun. Some people like to go, ride motorcycles. I personally am a motorcycle fan myself. I don't ride probably as much as I should, but it is what it is. So, you got to do what you got to do. Anyways, so, just wanted to see, what's everybody doing today. It's a beautiful, Saturday morning, October, so it's not super hot out here, especially in South Dakota. What I'm actually going to be doing is going pheasant hunting. So today is statewide open. So, last weekend was resident only opener, but you could only pheasant on a public land. So, so that wasn't, that's not really not a big deal for us. But anyways, so today is pheasant opener statewide for everybody. A lot of out-of-staters come from all over the country actually to go pheasant hunting. So it's a big deal. I know it brings a lot of money into the state of South Dakota, and it's a lot of fun. It's always a yearly tradition between what's up, Frankie, and Kent. But yeah, so I'm going pheasant on today, so I'm pretty excited for that. And got plenty of shells with me and everything like that. So and just really excited to get out there and get out pheasant hunting again. And it's really difficult to do these daily live videos, I'm not gonna lie. Especially on the weekends when you're not working. So anyways, yeah, just wanted to check in and see what you guys are doing for the weekend for fun. And are you getting out there and hunting too? If you are, what are you hunting? Are you going pheasant hunting? Maybe you're coming to South Dakota, I don't know. There's a lot of Dent guys I know that do get into the hunting and traveling for hunting. So anyways, you guys have a great weekend. Take care, and we'll see you on the next live video tomorrow. So yeah, so have a great weekend, everyone.